So we're in the Cracker Barrel, Ashland, Virginia. It's about just under 60 degrees, a little cool. It's about 11:30, just before lunchtime. We just got in to avoid the crowd. Show me those things you got there. How many flavors they got? They got, what's that flavor?
Wild berry.
Yeah. And these are the ones you bought before.
The plain one.
Yeah. And how much are they?
Caramel mocha.
Yeah. This is in Ashland, Virginia. All right, so I got we're here in Ashland, Virginia, and I've got the country breakfast with the country ham. So you got the country breakfast, the biscuits, and what is that? That's the pecan pancakes, right? All right. So this one is Ashland, Virginia. And we just had breakfast, pancakes and eggs.